Wheels, Watches, and Whiskey is a great event that you might not expect to find in the little college town of Bryan, Texas. Presented by the Gentleman Racer and McLaren North America, is an evening full of classic and exotic cars, luxury watches, and premium whiskey tastings. And it's hosted at the Stella Hotel, which is pretty sweet in its own right. There was live music setting the ambiance too. You're listening to this guy right now.
It's a big job getting by, 9 kids and a wife. I've been working, man, 9 years all my life. I'll be working as long as my 2 hands are fit to use.
Now, I don't know much about watches or whiskey for that matter, but I do know cars, and there's a great mix of cars out here. There's everything from halo cars like a Ford GT to a Volkswagen Thing and everything in between.
Nose on the grindstone, work hard every day. I get a little tired on a weekend, but after I draw my pay, go back working. Come Monday morning, I'm right back with my crew. I might drink a little beer that evening, sing none of these working man blues. Sometimes I think about leaving, do a little bumming around. Wanna throw my bills out the window, catch a train to town, go back working. Gotta buy my kids a brand new pair of shoes. I might drink a little beer that evening, cry a little of these working man blues.
There's a lot of sweet rides at the show, but the Lamborghini Yalpa really did it for me.
Hey, hey, working man like me. I ain't never been on welfare.
And the little Lola race car that was parked right next to it was pretty sweet too.
Long as my 2 hands are fit to use.
There were some really great art vendors set up as well.
I might drink a little beer that evening, sing.
And the coolest thing about this show is that all the proceeds go to OnRamp, which provides cars for families in need. You can find out more about the show at wheelswatcheswhiskey.com, so head over there and get on their mailing list so you don't miss out on it next year.
Yeah, dude.
The morning after the event, we lined up in front of the hotel for the Round Top Rally.
I shot a man in Reno just to march him down. When I hear that lonesome whistle, I hang my head and
Limited to an exclusive group of just 30 cars, it's an intimate cruise through the rolling hills of Central Texas.
drinking coffee and smoking big cigars. I know I had it coming. I know I can't be free. Those people keep a moving, and that's what tortures. If they freed me from this prison, if that railroad train was mine, then I'd move it on a little farther down the line, far from Folsom Prison. That's where I want to stay.
Our lunch destination was Royer's Cafe, which seriously has some of the best fried chicken you'll find anywhere. And yeah, normally you would expect a joint like this to have biscuits, but these rolls are no joke. But a personal tip from me, order the jalapeno cheese grits. If you've never been to Round Top, it's a quirky little town known for their arts and antiques. Play one of those special little rural gems. Well, that about wraps it up. See y'all next time.